Welcome back to Rainbow Study Lab. So in this particular video, I'm continuing the series of videos. This is a particular fourth part of polynomials class 10. I hope you've gone through all the three previous sections, and please, if you've not gone through, please go through all the three parts and then come back to this particular video. So here we'll be understanding about how to form a quadratic equation by knowing sum of the roots and product of the roots. So sum of zeros and product of zeros are given and we need to form the quadratic equation itself. So in the previous section we were having the quadratic equation, and from that we verified the relation that sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equals to minus b by a, and product of zeros, that is alpha into beta, is equals to c by a. In this particular section we'll be using it to form the quadratic equation. Okay, so what information do we have? That sum of the zeros is 1 by 4. What is sum of zeros? Zeros are alpha and beta, so alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. And the relation which we studied in the previous section, that alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. So minus b by a equals to 1 by 4. And product of zeros given here is minus 1. Product of zeros means alpha into beta is minus 1. And the formula which we studied, the relation which we studied, is alpha into beta is nothing but c by a. So c by a equals to minus 1. Now with the formula, with this values minus b by a and c by a, we have to form the quadratic equation itself. So minus b by a is 1 by 4 and c by a is minus 1. The problem is we cannot equate this equation because here in denominator we have a and here we are having 4. So if we say a is equals to 4, but the problem is here we have denominator is a and here there is no denominator. That means denominator is having 1. So value of a is 1. Two different values of a are not acceptable. So what we do, we take out LCM. Here we are having 4, here we are having 1. First of all, it is very important to understand it is minus 1 by 1. Okay, so what we will do, we'll take LCM of 4 and 1. LCM of 4 and 1 is 4. So we'll multiply this equation by 4 upon 4. Okay, and here no need to multiply anything. So what we will be getting is minus b by a will remain 1 by 4 and c by a will become minus 4 upon 4. Now as you can see, the value of a is comparable in both the sides, both the equations. A is equals to 4, a is equals to 4. Okay, and minus b is equals to 1, minus b is equals to 1, that means b is equals to 1. C equals to minus 4, that means c is equals to minus 4. The value is directly given. So value of a is 4, value of b is minus 1, and value of c is minus 4. And the general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So if you substitute value of a, b, c, we'll be getting 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is how we conduct this particular sum. I have solved one sum. I'll be solving 3 to 4 more sums in this particular series. Okay, next question, sum of zeros is root 2. Okay, so alpha plus beta root 2 minus b by a root 2, and product of zeros 1 by 3. So alpha into beta 1 by 3, that means c by a equals to 1 by 3. Minus b by a equals to root 2, c by a equals to 1 by 3. Now here, as root 2 is not having any denominator, that means there is 1 in denominator. Here a is equating with 1 and here it is with 3. What will be LCM of 1 and 3? 3. So we'll multiply this equation of 3 by 3 upon 3. So we'll be getting 3 root 2 upon 3 minus b by a equals to 3 root 2 upon 3 and c by a equals to 1 by 3. Now you can easily equate. A is 3 on both the sides. Okay, so your value of a is 3. Value of minus b is 3 by root 2. So b will be minus 3 by root 2. Okay, and c is minus 1. Sorry, so c, value of c will be 1. I'm sorry, value of c is plus 1. The general quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c. Just substitute your values. Your answer will be 3x square minus 3 root 2 plus 1. 3x square minus 3 root 2 plus 1. Okay, moving to next part. Find the quadratic polynomial with which are having 0, sum of zeros as 0 and product of zeros as root 5. So sum of 0 is equals to 0, alpha plus beta equals to 0, minus b by a equals to 0. Product of zeros is root 5. Alpha into beta is root 5, c by a is root 5. Minus b by a is 0 and c by a is root 5. Now the common thing here is 0 upon 1 and root 5 upon 1. So no need to take LCM. Value of a will be 1 on both the sides. So we can simply say value of a is 1. Okay. And value of b will be minus b is equals to 0. So b is also equals to 0 and c equals to root 5. General equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So the answer will be x square minus or plus 0x, that's your wish, plus root 5. Ultimately, no need to write this thing. Okay, so your answer will be x square plus root 5. This is your quadratic equation, x square plus root 5. That's all. Find a quadratic equation each with given numbers. Okay, sum is 1 and product is also 1. So sum is alpha plus beta, which is b by a, minus b by a is 1. Product of zeros is 1. Alpha into beta is 1. So c by a is 1. Minus b by a equals to 1, c by a equals to 1. Both of them have nothing in denominator, that means they have 1. Minus b by a can be written as 1 by 1 and c by a can be written as 1 by 1. So if you equate, value of a will be 1, value of b minus b is 1, so b will be minus 1 and c is 1. So a is 1, a will be 1, just a second. So value of a is 1, b is minus 1 and value of c is 1. So what will be my answer? Ax, instead of ax square, I will directly put the substitute value ax square, that means 1x square, plus bx, that means minus x, plus c, that means 1. So value of a is 1, value of b is minus 1 and value of c is 1. So this is my quadratic equation, x square minus x plus 1. Next, so sum is minus 1 by 4 and product is 1 by 4. Alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4, minus b by a is minus 1 by 4 and product is 1 by 4. That means c alpha into beta is 1 by 4, that or else c by a equals to 1 by 4. Okay, so minus b by a equals to minus 1 by 4, c by a equals to 1 by 4. So again we have a same value for a equals to 4, a equals to 4. Value of b will be 1 because minus minus cancel, value of b is 1 and c is also 1. So a is 4, b is 1 and c is 1. So general equation is ax square plus bx plus c. If you compare, your answer will be 4x square plus x plus c, that is 1. Okay. Moving to the last question in this particular part, find a quadratic polynomial each with given numbers as the sum and the product of its 0. So sum is 4 and product is 1. So alpha plus beta is 4, minus b by a equals to 4 and alpha into beta is 1 or c by a equals to 1. Minus b by a equals to 4, c by a equals to 1. We can write it as 4 by 1 and 1 by 1. So value of a is 1 and value of minus b is 4. That means value of b will be minus 4 and value of c is 1. So 1 minus 4 and 1. So general equation is ax square plus bx plus c. So answer will be x square minus 4x plus 1. I hope this is very clear. There's no confusion. So here we end your exercise 2.2 and for the next section where we'll be understanding about division algorithm. Please move to next part and we'll be solving few questions where I'll be explaining you how it works for polynomials. Okay, thank you.